When it comes to keeping your household countertops looking like new, FCS Granite and Quartz Countertop Cleaner is your everyday go-to solution. Specially formulated to be food safe for all types of stone surfaces, this cleaner efficiently tackles day-to-day messes, removing soil, food spills, and grime without leaving streaks or chemical residue behind. Liberally spray the cleaner across the countertop. For tougher spots, like dried spills or stuck-on debris, allow the product to soak in for a few moments. This helps break down grime for effortless removal. With a clean, damp cloth, wipe down the surface to reveal a smooth, spotless finish. If any stubborn areas remain, gently scrub with a synthetic scrub pad. It's tough on buildup, but safe for your stone surfaces. No scratches, no marks. With FCS Granite and Quartz Countertop Cleaner, your counters stay clean, clear, and kitchen ready, day in and day out.